Hey everyone, Charity Preston here from Teaching Blog Traffic School. I hope that you are having a great day here. And I just wanted to show you something really cool that perhaps you have not seen before. So for those of you who do not know me, I have been a teacher blogger for over 7 years now. And the one thing that is consistent is that social media changes constantly, right? So many bloggers out there right now are kind of freaking out because of the new Facebook algorithm, which is talking about how even less of your Facebook business posts are going to be seen from your business pages and more focus on friends and the newsfeed. So here's the thing. This does not make me nervous at all. Why? Because I feel like Facebook should be a good thing for people to want to come and see and do, right? So in order for them to want to participate and do things on Facebook, let's make it more social again. Let's go back to our friends. I, for one, will be super thrilled to be able to see more posts from my personal friends, right? So today I'm going to show you how to use that idea to your advantage without getting unfriended by everyone that we know. Okay, so we're going to do that by using friends lists. So what are friends lists? Friends lists are actually just lists of friends, a specific group of people that have their very own feed. And I'm going to show you exactly where to find that. Okay, so if you go down here to Explore, and go to See More and go to Friends Lists. These are your friends lists. Now, Facebook does have some that are automatically set up for you, okay? They just randomly pick some different people. Some of these, I don't even know where they came from. So you can go through and edit a list if you want to. But we're going to go ahead and just create a new list. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create your list. So we're going to go to Create List. And our list name will be Teachers Who Are Awesome. Okay, whatever you want your list name to be. Now, you can go through and add all of your friends that you know that are teachers who are awesome, that are going to care about seeing your business posts. But we only want to add one of those people right now. And I'm going to show you why this is kind of a shortcut and makes it a little easier. So I'm just going to add my husband just because it's good fun to do that. And I'm going to click Create. Okay, so he is on this list. Now, what you're going to want to do from this page is go to See All and go to Friends. Now we can easily go through here and say, oh, these people are teacher friends and these other people are not. And I can just keep scrolling down through the list until I add everybody that I want to. Now I have a Teachers Who Are Awesome custom list. Now I'm going to go back. I already created one actually for this video. And I'm going to go back, and the one that I have is called Teaching Friends. Okay? So I have about 90 people on this list. Now, granted, I have 233 personal friends on my Facebook friends list. So 90 of them, that's a pretty big chunk of my friends who are teachers. And I'm going to guess that you also have lots of friends who are teachers, whether they're teacher bloggers or just regular teacher friends. Teachers tend to be friends with other teachers. They're your colleagues, they're your friends, all those good things, right? So go ahead and add them to your list. And then what happens after a short amount of time, it will populate a news feed. So this is a news feed of only posts from my friends who are teachers. As a matter of fact, my friend Lizette, super involved in her union, and it's all about the House bill in Florida right now. So she has been sharing those kinds of things. Okay, lots and lots of different things in here from your friends who are teachers' newsfeed. So you can scroll through there and see all of that. Guys, that's all there truly is to setting up a list. So you set up this list. No one else can see this list except for you. So you don't have to worry about someone else checking out this list and knowing what to do with that, okay? So how do we maximize this list now? Well, there are two different ways that you can maximize having this list. Why would it be important? Well, the first thing you want to do is if you go through and comment on your friends' posts who are on this list, you create what's called an affinity with them, a Facebook affinity score. That means for a certain amount of time, it used to be 30 to 90 days, the people that you comment back and forth on, they will now see your posts more in their newsfeed. Okay, so that's a good thing, right? We want our teacher friends to see our teaching related posts so that it might be something that they're interested in, right? So go through your newsfeed, and I even like to actually just click on see all on this list, and I just like to go through a few each day, click on each person, and make a few comments on their posts. Not because necessarily I need them to see my posts, but you know what? It's just friendly to do, right? To catch up with friends you haven't seen in forever. Some of those people on that list, I have not seen their posts in eons. It doesn't mean they're not posting. It just means I haven't commented, they haven't commented on mine. So Facebook stopped showing each other our different posts. So this is a good way to reconnect with some long lost friends, right? Okay, so that's one way that you can do it. The second way to maximize this is you're going to post. You can post either right here on your friends feed, your list. And if I make a comment and say, hey teachers, how is it going today? And I click post, you see down here it's going just to this list, this teaching friends list. And I'm going to show you one other way I can do it. If I just go to my main thing here and I say the same thing, hey teaching friends, how is it going today? Right now, as you can see, I like to pick a different little thing there. There we go, that was cool. It's scheduled for public. Okay, I want to change that to more. And if I go to specific friends, I can search for a friend or a list. And I'm going to type in teacher. And I've got teachers who are awesome, or I think that one was called teaching friends, right? To my teaching friends, save changes, and then I can post it. So as you see, I posted that on Facebook, and right here, it only went to those people on my teaching friends list. So what I suggest doing is, in addition to just posting some normal things and seeing how they're doing and checking in with them, every so often, maybe a couple times a week, grab something from your Facebook business page and share it to your personal profile, making sure that it's only being seen by your teaching friends list. Okay, or your teachers list, or your teachers are awesome list, whatever list that you have for those specific people. Because now, any one of your friends and family on your list, or who is not on your teacher friends list, guess what? they're not going to see those posts about your newest assessment that you just posted in your TPT store, because they probably don't care about that anyway. You're not going to lose any friends and family, and you can post some things from your business page to your own personal page on occasion, and it will make sure that your friends that are teachers will see it, and it's more likely that they'll ask more about it. Perhaps they're more likely to share it on their own page. So when they start sharing those things on their own page, that's when it starts spreading to people that didn't know you before. Okay? Hopefully that was helpful and we were able to see all of that. Sometimes Facebook Live gets a little wonky, I know. So this is Charity Preston signing off. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will be happy to get back to them and answer any for you. And I'm also going to head back over to Teaching Blog Traffic School, your one-stop shopping for your teacher blog. I look forward to talking to you soon and see you next time. Bye.